Join London School of Business and Certified Accountant after graduation. Two programs we are offering: ACCA plus PGP, postgraduate program, and ACCA plus PGP and CFA. About the course, ACCA, this is a UK Chartered Accountancy offered by the Association of Chartered Certified Accountant UK. And CFA, this is Chartered Financial Analyst. This is USA Professional Qualification in Financial Analytics. This is offered by CFA Academy USA. PGP Postgraduate Program in Strategic and Business Leadership. This is offered by London School of Business Certified Accountant UK. Duration 2 to 2.5 years. Total number of paper in ACCA 13 exams and CFA Chartered Financial Analyst 3 exams, and you have to submit one project report only for PGP in Strategic Business Leadership. And duration of the total course is 2 years to 2.5 years. ACCA examination will be held in the month of March, June, September, and December, and CFA examination will be held every 6 months, month of May and November. Placement assistance for best job in Big Four, International Bank, and other MNCs, India and abroad. Big auditing firm like KPMG, Deloitte, PwC, Ernst & Young. Other MNC in consultancy like Grant Thornton, Mazars, BDO, Berkeley, Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, like so many MNCs and international banks in India and abroad, they're offering job to these professionally qualified from London School of Business Certified Accountant. And LSBCA will provide full support, full assistance for getting job from qualified student from London School of Business and Certified Accountant. Entry level, graduation in commerce, graduation in computer science, engineering, and economics. Any student from commerce side and math and English side, he is eligible to get admission in this program. Good command over English in writing, in reading, in listening and spoken. क्योंकि this is a qualification of United Kingdom and USA, so you have to good in English. How to study? Face-to-face classes at LSBCA campus at Panchkula, and classes will be held Monday to Friday and mock test on Saturday. Future prospects: qualified, able to get job, able to go for practice as a qualified chartered accountant or CFA, or he or she can do his own business and become managing director his own industry or any business house. Three area of lot of future prospects is available. Good salary available in the job market in India and abroad. For the purpose of the study of these professional courses, education loan is available from Education Funds of India at the rate of 5%, and you can pay very easily in monthly EMI, or you can apply education loan to the commercial bank, and rate of interest in the commercial bank is 10 to 11%, or you can pay after the qualification of this program. Admission is open 2023, and session is going to start. Those students already qualified, graduate, the session will start in the month of April, 17th April. Otherwise, student can take admission in the month of June 2023, and next two sessions will be in month of September and month of December 2023. Every year, you take admission, a new admission in the month of March, June, September, and December. Or special session we are starting already in the month of April, because month of the March is most of the examination month, so that month of April is also eligible for admission month for the student, the new qualified from the graduation. Otherwise, they can take admission in the month of June after they written their examination or final exam. No need to wait for final result of the examination. They can save the 3 months of time for the taking admission in the month of September every year. For the admission and other information, you can contact to us at Office of London School of Business Certified Accountant, SCO 13, Sector 5, Panchkula 134109, Haryana, India. We're giving the contact number and version number 9541120113. Join LSBCA after graduation, ACCA plus PGP, and ACCA plus PGP plus CFA dual chartered program. Thank you very much.